I have a vision for you. I have a vision for your life. And my vision for your life is God's vision for your life. But first, if you are new, subscribe because there is useful, practical information here to help you as a man to recover from porn addiction, to get on semen retention, and eventually to start your journey of sex energy transmutation so that you can enter the rank of legends, so that you can start creating excellence in your life, so that you can start living a life of power. My vision for you today is that you would dream again. I know porn has messed you up. Porn has messed your life up. You have forgotten who you were. You have forgotten your dreams, your abilities, or your desires. At times, you look at yourself in the mirror, you can't recognize what you're looking at. At times you cry in your car, you cry in your shower. I know that you do. Your depression is not so much that you're fapping, but it is also that your life is eradicating. Your life is just going down the drain. Every night, every time you fap, you don't know who you are anymore. The dreams, the goals, the aspirations, the desires that have been placed in your own consciousness by the universe, by Almighty God, have disappeared. They are nowhere to be found. And that makes you the saddest. That makes you the most depressed. I understand, my brother. I've been through it. For 23 years, I lived in total anguish, in pain, heartfelt pain. I was watching my life eroding away. I was watching my life disintegrating with each fapping session. I thought I was going to die. I thought I was never going to make it out. I thought that was it. I thought something was wrong with me deep inside. I thought I was the problem. I believed something had gone wrong with my psyche, and the only way that I could fix it was to commit suicide. I wanted to commit suicide several times throughout the 23 years. But obviously, I'm here because God brought me out. The universe resurrected me so that I can come back and speak with you, men around the world. No matter your color, no matter your language, if you can understand English, this is for you because I've been brought back from the dead to help you get off porn addiction, to retain your semen, and eventually to get on sex energy transmutation. Let's talk about creating a new dream for your life, creating a new vision for yourself. You see, the damages that porn does is not limited only to the energy that is drained out of your body. Porn rewires your brain. Essentially, what that means is porn has erased or at least written over your memory. So the memory of the man that you used to know is gone. The memory of your dreams is gone. The memory of your aspirations is gone. The memory of your identity is gone. You don't know who you are anymore. You don't know this man who's walking around so weak, so introverted, so frail, socially anxious, disconnected, disoriented, demotivated. This man is being disrespected everywhere. This man is settling for jobs that he would never do. This man is so intellectual and intelligent. He has artistic abilities, but yet he's working at a job that he knows deep inside is not what he's supposed to be doing. This man who has a message for the world, this man who has something of great value to deliver to the world is gone. Instead, there is a man in your body watching porn every night, jacking off every night, or chasing women down the streets and having sex every day. You see, as you get on NoFap and semen retention, you're gonna have to create a new vision for your life. When it comes to a new vision for your life, you're gonna have to do it arbitrarily. No one is going to come to deliver a vision to you. Now, we can help you to understand which direction you should go, but you're gonna have to get up and decide to create a new vision for your life. Decide to create a new dream for your life. Brother man, let me help you understand. There is an energy in you that's forever seeking expression in the world. That energy is forever seeking for you to create, to become the best version of your life. That is God inside of you. That is the universe pushing through you. That is the creative and evolutionary impulse seeking manifestation through you. You are gifted. You are a man of excellence. You are a distinguished man because every single man has a specific print. Every single man has been made carefully and miraculously by the universe or by God. You are unique in the way you were fabricated. You are unique in your abilities, in your views, in your understanding, and therefore in your expression. So, as you get on NoFap and semen retention, in order for you to succeed, in order for you for life to become meaningful again, in order for you to find fulfillment, in order for you to find joy and excitement, in order for you to lay your hands on really the essence of life, you're going to have to create a new dream for your life. The old dream is gone, or maybe you're just going to have to awaken the old dream. Or maybe you're just gonna have to go and dig in the dirt and bring that gold from the dirt again. You see, gold, it doesn't matter whatever the state gold finds itself, it's always going to remain gold. So let's say you are gold and you've been buried under the dirt of pornography and masturbation. Now we're going to dig you out. Now we're going to work hard in bringing you out, and we're going to wash you out, and we're going to clean you up, and you're still going to be gold. Everybody will desire you. Everybody will want to possess you. Everybody will want to be around you. Everybody will want to talk about you because you are gold. That is your nature. That is your construct. That is your fabric. Nobody can change it. The universe made it so. God made it so. You are gold. Whether you are found in the mud right now, whether porn has put a lot of garbage and trash on top of you right now. But I'm telling you, once we start digging you up, once we start removing you from under that heap of trash, under that heap of conditioning from society and porn addiction, under that heap of that you have encountered, hurts, pain. Maybe you didn't grow up with mom and dad. Maybe you suffered. Maybe you have some sort of childhood trauma that's still bothering you subconsciously. We are going to remove you and we're going to clean you up. And everybody will look. This man has always been gold. Yes, that's you, baby. Create a new vision for your life. A new vision is going to help you to put this new energy that you're seeking to keep into perspective. If you hold your energy and you don't have anything to work towards, then one day you will be tempted to release that energy otherwise. And this is really the crucible of sex energy transmutation. You keep the energy and you have a vision and you're working towards the fulfillment of that vision using your sex energy as the tool, as the vehicle. Brother man, you have to dream again. You have to create a new vision for your life. Create a new vision for your relationship. Create a new vision for your health. Create a new vision for your money. Create a new vision for your intellect. Create a new vision for your body. Create a new vision for where you live. Create a new vision for how you move around, what vehicle you want to drive. Create a new vision for how you see yourself. Create a new vision for what you stand for in society. Create a new vision for the total you. And that new vision, my friend, is up to you. It is entirely up to you. Have the courage. Rise up. Stand up and start claiming things and start saying, you know, porn messed my life up, but it was for the better. Because now that I understand what I've been through, now I have the power to rise up and to create a new me, a new vision, a new dream. So brother man, I'm calling you to dream again. Brother man, I'm calling you to become a visionary. In fact, you are already a visionary because you are the best thing that the universe has put together. You are the best creation of God. You are the apple of God's eyes. So therefore, you are already a visionary. Visions already exist within you. Dreams are already seated very deeply in your psyche. All you have to do now is connect with the universe. All you have to do now is seek the face of God. And where God resides? Within you. God is within you. So as you turn inward, as you turn within, you will find God. You will find the face of God. And you will see the visions and the dreams that have been buried right inside of you. So go and dig those dreams up. Go and pull those visions forward and start working towards them. The reason for this is, as you get off porn, you have to find something to put your energy towards. You have to find something to put your attention towards, because attention is money. When your attention is available, it can be hijacked by the many places, the many businesses out there. It can be hijacked by other things, such as porn, right? So your attention is gold. Your attention is your money maker. So you have to decide what you pay attention to now. That's why you have to have a vision. That's why you have to have a dream that you're working towards, so that you can put your energy towards that, so that you can put your attention towards that. And that way you don't waste your attention. You don't give your attention to social media, advertisement, women, porn, and the many other things that are seeking to hijack your attention. My brother, your attention is power. You are king. You are the one created by God to push creation forward. You are the one created by God to keep the human species going. Unless you release your semen to create another human being, there's no other way another human being can be created right now. You know that, right? So really, you are very important. So really, you are significant to creation. So really, you are significant to evolution. You are very significant to this life that we are living as a human species. So you are to dream another dream. You are to create another vision for your life, brother man, so that you can find fulfillment, joy, peace, and excitement in this new life. You are king. Stay in your kingdom. Namaste.